Hi, I'm Peter K, math teacher. Our topic today is the least common multiple or the LCM. Consider three terms, that is 3, 4, and 6. What are the multiples of 3? Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and so forth. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. You can stop there. So you can see the common multiples for the three terms are, we have 12, that is common. We also have 24, that is common. But in LCM, we go for the smallest or the least multiple, which in our case is 12. And that's the LCM. There are two methods of getting the LCM. The first method is the table method, and the other method is the factors method. So let's start with the table method to get the LCM of 10, 15, and 24. So if you are given 10, 15, and 24. Divide by 2 to get 5. 15 divided by 2, you not get a whole figure, and therefore you write it as 15. 24 divided by 2, that is 12. Again by 2, 5 again there, 15. This one is 6. By 2 again, because of 5, 15, 3. From here now you can see 3 to get 5 here, to get 5, to get 1. Then by 5 to get 1, 1, 1. And therefore, the LCM is 2 power 1, 2, 3 times 3 times 5, which is equals to 120. That is the LCM. Now, we want to get the LCM of 10, 15, and 24 using the factor method. So you get 10. What are the factors of 10? This is 2 times 5. Factors of 15 is 3 times 5. Factors of 24, 24 you can get the factors here. 24 by 2, 1, 2, by 2, 6, by 2, 3, by 3, 1. So this is 2 power 1, 2, 3 times 3. So in the LCM, you choose the term with the highest factors. For example, there is a 2 in 10, but there is no 2 in 15, but there is a 2 power 3 in 24. So you take the highest power of 2, which is 2 power 3. You multiply by 3, the highest power of 3 in 10, in 15, and in 24 is just 3. Then there is a 5. If you multiply that, you get 120. Application of LCM. We are going to consider a question here. You are told that 3 bells ring at intervals of 9 minutes, 15 minutes, and 21 minutes. The bells will next ring together at 11 p.m. Find the time the bells have rung together. So this one is the LCM of 9 minutes, 15, and 21. In this example, we are going to use the table method. So the LCM, start by dividing by the common factor here, 3, to get 3, to get 5, to get 7. By 3, you get 1, 5, 7. By 5, you get 1, 1, 7. By 7, you get 1, 1, 1. And therefore, the LCM is 3 squared times 5 times 7, which will give us that 5 times 9, that is 315. If you take 315 minutes, divide by 60, you get 5 and 15 minutes. 5 hours, 15 minutes. So, if they were to ring at 11 p.m., then the last time they rang together was 11 p.m. You subtract 5 hours and 15 minutes to get 45 minutes here. You started 1 hour, so that you're left with 1, that is 5, which is 5, 45 p.m. Next question, you are told a square room is covered by a number of whole rectangular slabs of size 60 centimeters by 42 centimeters. You are to calculate the least possible area of the room in square meters. So, if you want to get the area of the room, you get the LCM of 60 and 42. In this question, we are going to use the factor method. So, what are the factors of 60? If you are asked what are the factors of 60 by 2, you get 30. By 2, you get 50. By 3, you get 5. And by 5, you get 1. So the factors of 60 here, you can write them here, is 2 power 2 times 3 is 5. Then factors of 42 by 2, 21, by 3, 7, by 7, 1. So factors of 42 here are 2 times 3 times 7. So the LCM of 60 and 42, you take the highest factor of 2, and that is 2 power 2. You multiply by 3, multiply by 5, multiply by 7 to get the LCM is 420. So the square room will be of 420 centimeters by 420 centimeters. If you are asked the area here, therefore, it should be 420 times 420. And that will give us in centimeters squared, and we want it in meters squared. So you divide by 100 times 100. And if you work out, you get that is 17.64 meters squared. On to our last question. You are told when a certain number is divided by 10, 15, or 18, there is always a remainder of 7. You have to find the number. Here, we get the LCM of 10, 15, and 18. Then the LCM you add to 7. You are saying you take 10, 15, and 18. You get the LCM by 2, you get 5, you get 50, you get 9. By 3, you get 5, you get 5, you get 3. By 3 again, you get 5, 5, 1. By 5, you get 1, 1, 1. And therefore, the LCM is 2 times 3 squared times 5. 2 times 3 squared times 5, that is 5 times 2, 10. times 9, you get that is 90. And therefore, the number that when you is divided by 10, 15, or 18, you want to get a remainder of 7 is 90 plus 7. You get that. That is the answer.